Sheesh. 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 Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another banger daily, what's that called? Smoke show upload. Today, we got my best friend's 2000 Mustang GT. Now, few things about this car. We're gonna be reviewing the automatic transmission. A lot of these cars, a lot of these old Mustang car guys, they're gonna be like, well, you know, the automatics a lot of the time, they aren't the best, which they aren't. Compared to the manual that a lot of the people go with. Today, I'm gonna be reviewing my best friend's automatic 2000 Mustang GT. Let's get into it. And yes, sound warning, it is straight piped. So for those of you who aren't a big fan of straight pipe, I'm sorry in advance. Now when it comes to this car, I love these cars to death, so I'm not gonna trash talk these cars. A little bit biased, but I love these cars so insanely much. So one of the things that I love about these cars is how simple they are. You put simplicity into a Mustang, and you got the new edge, the S95. Now, when it comes to this car in particular, we plan on absolutely turning this thing into a, what's the word? Absolutely something beautiful to look at. We're gonna be painting this thing a nice blue. I believe it's called a Sonic Blue. Gonna be getting a nice pair of whistlers on them. Get a nice new pair of shoes. And eventually, throw a 4-valve into this bad unit and get it to have some fun. But for now, you can see its imperfections. Obviously, interior's not the best. There's cracks. But that's besides the point. The point today, we are in a Mustang GT. A straight pipe Mustang GT. Now let's talk a little about these bad units right here. Quote unquote bad units. These automatic transmissions, these 4-speed automatic transmissions, Ford, obviously, when it comes to their manuals, they didn't put as much time into. They aren't the best. They can't take as much horsepower as the manuals can take. But when it comes to luxury, I'd say it's pretty nice. But pair this thing with a 2-valve, a V8, it's not the best. Because it gets to the point with only 4 gears, sometimes it doesn't behave when it shifts. Sometimes it shifts super clunky, but you know, what can you expect? It's from 25 years ago. But in this video, I wanted to introduce y'all to this thing, this unit. The newest addition to the Smoke Show channel. See if we can give her a little bit of beans here. whopping 70 miles per hour. Now, hopping into one of these cars, they aren't gonna be the fastest, but that's okay. If you're looking for something fun, just hop in and say, hey, you know, I'm driving a Mustang, man. I just wanna have some fun, maybe cruise with a few of my other Mustang buddies. This is the car for you. Now the plans for this car is to get a complete new dash, complete full black, decked out interior, black interior. Get it nice. Turn it into a nice car. Now I'm gonna try and shut my mouth a little bit and let y'all just hear the car. Yeah, guys, I figured I'd, you know, throw on the old GoPro and give y'all a little introduction to this car, because expect to see this thing a lot, as we have lowering springs, we have wheels, and we have fresh paint getting ready to go on it coming up, and also, not to mention, the up and coming. But I won't say too much on that. Stay tuned. Oh, clunks. Clunky clunk. Shift. Hey! Shift! Oh, we're done. Oh, it's so hot! Two valve, whopping 60 miles per hour. But yeah, I appreciate everyone watching the video. When it comes to this car right here, expect to see it a lot more on the channel. And huge thanks to this guy right here for letting me drive it.
Of course. Just letting you guys know, it's going to be an entirely new look. Soon, within a couple weeks, we're going to be getting some coilovers on it. Then I'm going to be getting some devxlrxde ones to slap on it, so stay tuned.
And when it comes to smoke show uploads, this is a yearly upload. Signing out.